Here's how to install Visgard premium anti-fog coated film onto a freezer cabinet door. For this installation, you'll need a wide urethane blade with handle, a good blend of 79% deionized water, 20% isopropyl alcohol, and 1% baby shampoo or non-abrasive liquid hand soap, a spray bottle to load the application liquid into, a squeegee to clean the freezer door, a sharp blade penknife, and a straight edge. Before you get started, we advise 2 acts of preparation to facilitate a successful installation. First, open the freezer door and allow it to reach near room temperature to prevent any application fluid from freezing to the glass during lamination. Second, to block airflow into the freezer unit, position a blank or cardboard cutout in front of the open freezer case. This will help mitigate frosting on the glass. To begin, thoroughly clean the freezer door. Then, remove any excess liquid using the squeegee. Repeat as necessary until the freezer door is completely spotless. Next, cut the film to match the size of your freezer door on a semi-hard surface using your sharp blade penknife and a straight edge. After that, you want to slightly separate the adhesive liner at the edge of the film using your thumb. Should the liner be resistant, place a piece of tape at the corner of the film and pull to bring the liner up. Once that's completed, pour your application liquid into your spray bottle before spraying every inch of the freezer door from top to bottom. Now, while the freezer door is still wet, separate the adhesive liner completely from the film and wet the adhesive side thoroughly with application liquid. Following that, lay the film adhesive side down onto the wetted freezer door and tape the film to the top edge of the freezer door to prevent the film from sliding. Next, spray application liquid onto the top of the film to reduce friction during the lamination process. Now, hold the top of the film with your thumb and index finger while running the urethane blade down the middle length of the film. Removing the application liquid lengthwise from top to bottom will ensure no moisture is trapped in the middle of the film, locking it into place. After that, beginning in the middle of the film, flush out the remaining application liquid by moving the urethane blade inside out with overlapping strokes from top to bottom to eliminate every drop. Finally, inspect the freezer door carefully to make sure there isn't a single trapped water drop or air bubble. Should there be any imperfections in the film, now is the easiest time to remove the film if you need to make any corrections. Re-wet the freezer door and the film, and begin the application process again. If everything appears to be in order, wait 24 hours for the lamination to sufficiently dry before removing the liner on the anti-fog side. And with that, you've successfully installed Visgard Premium Anti-Fog Coated Film onto the freezer door. To learn more about Visgard Premium, as well as FSI Coating Technology's other products, visit fsicti.com.